Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to align objects. So for example, I will create a rectangle and the second object I will create polygon from this point with side 5. And the next, if you want to align these polygons from this edge into here, we can use the align command. Type align, press enter. I will select the polygon object and you can click from this corner point into here. I will select again from this corner point into this corner point. Now if you press enter and you can choose no, it will be automatically aligned to the rectangle object. If you want to align with scale or resize the polygons, you can type again align, press enter. I will select the objects, enter again. Now you can click from this point into here, the second from this point into this point. Press enter again, and in here you can choose yes to resize the polygon. And that's it for a basic AviCAD tutorial how to align objects. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.